No, let's learn another simple sentence in Igbo. To say, calm down, let's go. Calm down, let's go. So using our sentence sound helper, let's learn how to say that in Igbo. So, can you say badata? Badata ala ka aye po. So let's say it together faster. Badatale ka aye po. Badatale ka aye po. So in Igbo, to say come down, let's go, you say Badatala ka anyị pụọ. Badatala ka anyị pụọ. Good. So let's take a quick quiz. How do you say he is calling you in Igbo? Good job. Igbo champion. I know you get it. So thank you for learning one sentence today. Keep practicing and learning one sentence at a time. Please subscribe and like for more. Bye.